Very warm good morning, guys. Uh, Today I'm going to continue with my phase 2 video. Like in the earlier video, we digitalized the road and what. So today we are going to digitalize the point and line. So you can see there are these point. So you just need to do what? For point feature, just create a point line, create layer, then in save file layer, just give uh, the item is um, transformer. So just give the name, leave the file encoding, choose point, give transformer, choose as it. You can see the point feature is visible. Just go to toggle editor, click it. Here you need to go to I point to give there will be only vertex segment, not possible vertex. Here you have to choose segment. It will be vertex. So leave it as it. Just go to point, click here, add polygon feature. Just click on transformer. Have to give on middle. Just give the number. You can see clearly visible. Like that, just do another point and just give the name number. Yeah. And then another point. Just go. Let's give a 6. Here skip number 4. You can see clearly one more point or transform it. Let's give the name, just give the ID number. In your condition, depend upon the situation where you are doing, this can differ. I think whole transformation is done. Yeah, one is left. Give here number 2. Any more left? I think not. So guys, I am done with the whole transformer. You can see, you can go even just save the work. You can see on end table. Just let's clear it. You can see the zoom this, and you can see. Okay. Now I will tell you one more way to add one layer, not by doing toggle editing, just by adding a layer. Throw us add a layer, go to add layer, add a spreadsheet layer. Like this is a way, if you have a accurate lat long for the particular unit in Excel sheet, you don't need to do anything, it can catch automatically. You just need to add the spreadsheet and is done. Let me just show you. And another way is the way I told you. You just have to do what? You need to go to add layer, then you need to go to spreadsheet, then you need to select your Excel sheet here, and just give the name, particular name, whatever you want to give, and just click the geometry tick and leave that as it is it. And here the x-axis will be longitude and y-axis will be latitude. Just check this field and change the reference system if it's come to not uh, just 84 WGS. Click OK, and you see the inflammable item is automatically digitalized. So that's how it has to be done. Okay, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share among all your geography friends. Thank you.